Kind of a mellow horn. Main track number 2. We're at milepost 65. This train is westbound. Stack train. We're in the Cajon subdivision, Southern California. BNSF lines. We have a dash line in front. I'm sure it looks like it. We have dash line and the ES. C4. So it's going to be a standard C train with JB Hunt sliders. Might just be a stack, we'll see. Appears to be empty. Heading back towards Long Beach and Los Angeles, possibly Hobart, Commerce. Somewhere over that way. Yeah, we're getting some FedEx. See if we get into some trailers with freezers. Then we'll know if it's just a stack train or a Z train. I swear these trains create their own wind. Cloud just went over and the wind picked up. Cloud just went away. Some of the steeper part of the Cajon Pass right through here. 2% grade average. I'm sure it's more than that right here. It's more than 2 feet every 100 feet here. Yeah, now we're going to get into some piggybacks, trailers, FedEx. Some of these are probably Postal Service. All these extras came from the same place, wherever that is. Yeah, when you see a group like that, they pick them up together. 20-footers and utility car there. I didn't see any freezer units. I think these are all empty. Springs are wide open. Railroad fans of the Cajon Pass, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like. Tell your friends. Subscribe. Love you guys. Catch you on the next one.